Good evening, my dear students and friends. In this video, we can speak about reading My Christmas. Christmas is a special time of year for many people. Families often spend this day together. They eat a big dinner, talk, laugh, and give presents to each other. Before Christmas, people decorate their homes and buy gifts. Shops can be very busy, so some people like to shop early. Others wait and buy presents at the last moment. For many adults, Christmas is also a time to relax. They watch films, listen to music, and enjoy quiet evenings at home. Christmas is not about perfect parts. It is about feeling good and being with people you love. Choose the correct answer. What do families often do at Christmas? A. Work all day. B. Spend time together. C. Travel every year. Why do some people shop early? One answer. One, spend time together. Yes. Two, why do some people shop early? A, shops are busy. Gifts are free. They don't like gifts. Answer, shops are busy. 3. What do many adults like to do at Christmas? Study, clean the house, or relax? Answer C. Relax. 4. According to the text, Christmas is mainly about perfect plans, expensive presents, good feelings, and people. Good feelings and people. Answer. Bye, my dear students and friends. Bye.